HP docking stations, especially USB-C and Thunderbolt models like the G5 or Thunderbolt 4 dock, sometimes cause connected monitors to repeatedly turn off. This frustrating issue often stems from power delivery problems, display signal interruptions, or faulty cables. The core issue is that monitors connected through HP docks keep blanking out, disrupting work and causing frustration for users. One common cause is power delivery problems. The dock might not supply enough stable power to both the laptop and connected monitors, causing the system to shut down displays to conserve energy. Another cause is display signal interruptions. The data transmission carrying video signals from the dock to the monitor can be interrupted, leading to blank screens. Faulty or inadequate cables are often the culprit. The cables might not support the power delivery or data transfer requirements needed for stable monitor connections. We'll explore troubleshooting solutions for these causes in the following sections. Outdated drivers or firmware are a major cause of HP docking station monitor blackouts. Use the HP Support Assistant to update your docking station's firmware, graphics drivers, and BIOS. HP released updates in late 2024 and early 2025 that specifically address monitor blackout issues. Check HP's website for the latest releases. Power delivery is fundamental to docking station operation. The dock acts as a power hub, supplying stable electricity to your laptop and all connected peripherals. This ensures everything receives the energy it needs to function properly. When power delivery is insufficient, the system prioritizes essential functions. Displays may shut off automatically to conserve energy and prevent system instability. This is a protective mechanism, but it disrupts your workflow. Modern laptops and peripherals require substantial power. Your docking station should support at least 100 watts of power delivery to handle both the laptop's charging needs and power for connected devices like monitors and external drives. To confirm your docking station delivers adequate power, use a multimeter or USB power tester. Connect it between the dock and laptop and check the voltage reading. You should see approximately 20 volts for proper power delivery operation. Mismatched display resolutions or high refresh rates can overload HP docking stations. This is especially common with 4K monitors running at 120 Hz, which demands excessive bandwidth and power from the dock. To resolve this, first reduce the resolution or refresh rate as a test. If the monitor stops turning off, you've identified the cause. Then properly configure your display settings. Different resolutions require varying amounts of data. Higher resolutions like 4K or 8K demand more from your dock than HD or FHD. To access display settings in Windows, right-click the desktop and select Display Settings. On Mac, go to System Preferences and choose Displays. From there, you can adjust resolution and refresh rate options. Set your monitor to the recommended resolution for your dock's capabilities. If using high refresh rates causes issues, temporarily disable them to test stability. For more options, check Advanced Display Settings in Windows to configure multiple monitors and adjust orientation if needed. Properly configuring your display settings helps prevent the dock from becoming overloaded and ensures stable monitor connections. Many users have resolved HP docking station monitor blackout issues through advanced troubleshooting. Let's examine real case studies and expert recommendations. In one case study, a user with an HP EliteBook faced monitor shutdowns during video calls. Investigation revealed the USB-C cable had frayed wires and poor shielding, causing unreliable connections. Another common issue involves electromagnetic interference from non-certified cables. This EMI disrupts display signals, causing monitors to turn off unexpectedly. Using HP-approved cables eliminates this interference. BIOS updates often fix power management issues. One user updated BIOS settings for external graphics processing units, resolving shutdowns caused by improper power allocation to displays. A simple software fix involved disabling USB Selective Suspend in Windows power settings. This prevents the system from automatically powering down the dock during inactivity, eliminating sudden monitor blackouts. HP senior engineer Dr. Elena Vasquez emphasizes that future docking solutions will focus on software improvements to better manage power fluctuations and prevent user issues. The future of HP docking stations looks promising with emerging technologies that address current challenges. Wireless docking solutions are becoming more reliable, eliminating the need for physical cables and reducing connection problems. Universal standards like USB PD 4.0 will provide better power negotiation, ensuring stable connections for multiple devices. HP is integrating AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent docking issues before they occur. These advancements will result in fewer cable-related problems and significantly improved reliability for HP docking stations.